Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's video, we'll be going ahead and checking this out. As I told you in my previous video, I'll be showing you the wireless charger for Samsung or any of the wireless charging mobiles which can support up to 15 watts. And this one is a SanDisk expand wireless charger. It can support 5 watts, 10 watts, 7.5 watts, as well as 15 watts, up to 15 watts. And it comes with an adapter as well as the charging pad. Everything comes in a single box. And this one, let me just show you clearly all the details of this. Just give me a minute. Okay, now you can go ahead and see that this is Samsung Expand wireless charger, 15 watts. If you are not able to see clearly, it's given here clearly. Okay, and it's a fast charge also, so that it will not be a slow charge for your mobiles. And it's from SanDisk, a well-known company by Western Digital. And it's QI compatible with iPhone as well as Android phones. Like all the models are given over here. It supports 8, 8 Plus and newer Samsung Galaxy 8, 7, S7 and Note 8 and the newer mobiles OnePlus 8 Pro, G7 thing, G and all the Samsung mobiles that is. And it has a premium adapter, power adapter which comes with it. That is what you can see over here. It's a 24-watt adapter, no slippery rubber ring, and designed for protection. And it's having all the charging base, 24-watt charger, and 4.5-foot length Type C cable. So let me keep this box aside. And it's given here clearly it's a 15-watt wireless charger, because most of the phone supports only 15 watts wireless charging also. And this is the brick which came with it. Let me just keep the brick aside and attach this to the USB and see whether it picks up the USB also option. I have not tried this before, but let me check that. If it takes the charging by USB. No, it doesn't take the charging by USB. So let me connect this directly to the wall socket so that we get a clear idea how fast it is. So this is the charging pad. You can see SanDisk, and it is gone ahead and it's too white to be seen even in a camera. SanDisk is given here, and it has all the certification, everything. It has a Type C port over here in which the wire is connected. Let me go ahead and find a charging pad next to me where I can go ahead and connect this. Just give me a minute. Okay guys, so I've got a junction box here, and the light also is on in the junction box. I will just connect this SanDisk to any one of the points in this, and it is switched on now. And this is the Samsung mobile which I'm going to use it for testing in this. I'm just going to place it here, and if you see, it started doing a fast charging over here, and it shows 1 hour 1 minute left until full charge, because it's charging in a 15-watt charging speed, even though it's given a 24-watt charger. Now let me quickly check this again whether it works with the USB also. See here, it shows wireless charging started, and it's showing paused because it's not able to pick up via USB, which I have connected over here. So the only way to charge this is directly via this SanDisk brick, because it's a 24 watt and it converts it to 15 watts fast charging. So if you see, it started doing the fast charging and it's charging the mobile now. And it shows fast wireless charging, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 minute left. So that's as simple as it gets, and it's let it charge over there. Okay, then this is not a bad charger at all, because if you go ahead and buy this with the brick, it's 2.7 as I told you, and without the brick, it comes for 1.7 if you do have the charging brick. But I would suggest, as you're going to buy Samsung mobile anyhow, or any other mobile which has a lesser charging brick of 15 watts which they're giving, you can go ahead and buy the brick also. It will be able to charge other mobiles also for you at the speed of 25 or 24 watts. So yesterday I had the mobile at 75% or something, and that time my charger came in as a delivery, and I used this for charging, and it charged in 50 watts, and then within 20 to 25 minutes my mobile was completely charged to 100% again in wireless charging, because it's just 15 watts charging, not the usual 25 watts charging. Because if it's a 25 watts charging, it will take about half an hour to fully charge by a wired purpose, but wirelessly charging within half an hour for 25% is actually good, and you can use this anywhere. And your mobile port also, that is your charging port also, will be saved if you have this. So you can try this out, and it is available in Amazon at the moment. You can go ahead and check it out because sale is going on. This is a very good offer you can get, or in the next sale you can get it by adding and keeping it in your cart. However you want to go ahead and do that, because the normal price for this is about 5,000 something, and this is a very good company, and you can try this out. So until next time, this is Kamal. I hope you like this video, and this is Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you.